Friends, good evening to my channel Gaurav Jaiswal. It is me who is just recording the video. I just come here for my work, some work to floor to take the floor of it, and just making the vlog, making the video, and we just discuss some points. I'm not speaking too much high because my voice is not so good as today because of some problem in my throat. But I can make the video, I can speak loudly and then tell you the some of the discussion. Just we can discuss some of the things what is special today's day. So today is 2nd October 2024, and today is birth anniversary of the Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, means Mahatma Gandhi, our father of nation, and the Lal Bahadur Shastri, who is the second prime minister of India, means after the Jawaharlal Nehru, and he is very both of the Mahatma Gandhi and the Lal Bahadur Shastri are the very great man, because their values and their what they have the good virtues, virtues. They are very kind, they are very simple man. They are just living the simple life, and I just going to tell you some of the stories of them. So we just discussed who is the Mahatma Gandhi, which is the M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, and we know that his photo is printed on our currency note because he is very great man. So first starting with this, when he is small at the age, when he is child, and after that he just pursue the career of to become a lawyer, and when he is practicing in India for his he does not get some of the opportunities, but after that he just went to the South Africa to grab the opportunity, and he is doing very well at the South Africa. And after that what happened, he just faced some of the racism in the South Africa, means there is a discrimination between the whites and the black. He just first start the non-violence, himsa, in the South Africa, and from there he just become the father, means he just the South African peoples give him the title of the Mahatma, which is means the great person, great soul. And after that what happened, he just came back to India and start his freedom battle to make the India independent against the British government, because the British have taken so much years, means they have ruling over the India from since the many years. And what happened, the Mahatma Gandhi came back to India, and started the several movement, just like the Quiet India movement, just like the Dandi March. He just doing the some of the he just I just wait for some minutes. He started some of the movements which led the British government to move out from the India in the 1947, and we get the independence. Some of the songs, just like the the freedom war is very great, means so many great peoples have sacrificed their lives in the freedom battle of the India. And after that we get the independence, just like we see that Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Rajguru, they were hanged because yes, they are very hanged on the very early age, means they are very young at the age. Some of the we see the many great leaders at before the independence who make our India freedom, and one of them are Lal Bahadur Shastri, and today there is their birth anniversary. So just I talk about the Lal Bahadur Shastri. He's a very simple man. He started first. He started first. Just like So first, when he's small, his mother wanted him to be a good educated person, but he went to the Pune to pursue his education. After that means he's not pursue so much education, and later join the some freedom movement. And what happened, they just give up, means he just participated in the freedom fight, and later grabbed the means because of his convenience led this, because of his means freedom fighting talent, he just grabbed the opportunity to lead the several movements and become the, and after that, after Jawaharlal Nehru, he became the second prime minister of the India. Okay, both the means, both the great means, both are them are a great soul, living the very simple life and very great man. What say? And we just can describe the more and more about them. They are very great soul. They are very, yes. I am repeating the sentence. I'm not getting what to say today. So I just talk on some of the relevant topics. So today is the Sarvapitra Amavasya also, and the Mahatma Gandhi and the Lal Bahadur Shastri Jayanti also. What after that? So just tomorrow is the Navratri, first day of the Shadiya Navratri, and what we say? Yes, first day of the Shadiya Navratri, in which the first day is of the Shailputri. Yes, I just cover all the days because the Navratri is a very great festival celebrated all over the India. I just make the video, and we know the Navratri, which is festival of the Ma Durga Mata, and his idols are worshipped over these 9 days, and means it's a festival of the feminism. Means what we say, it's not dedicated to women, means dedicated to women, because it is said that it is a power, means supreme power, means Shakti. We devote to the devotion toward the power, and the Shiva and Shakti. We know Shiva and Shakti are together. They are together. They are not apart from each other. They are together, and we have to respect we should have the great respect toward the women. We should be very respectful. We are very kind to other women. We are very respectful to women, and it's our duty to pay them the respect to the women. And it is very important, and to grab the values. So we just have to learn the values from our mothers, learn the hard work from our fathers, and whatever, and learn the knowledge from your teachers, and whatever the things can be learned directly by the world, means world will teach you everything. After that, just have to learn the values, means great values. You should adopt the great values. It is becoming dark. It is, yes, the day is dusking, means the sun is dusking. Yes, it's what do you say? It is 6:30 p.m. I'm making this video, and I'm not looking clear. It's because of the dark, and I just come here to the shop. I'm in Nangobet, which is my hometown. It is nearby to the Amravati city, Amravati district, which is 12 kilometer away from Nangobet. And just talking about here are so many places in between the Nagpur and Nangobet and the Amravati, which is on the Nagpur road and the national highway. There is just busy land, city land, rims land, so many great places. After that, there is a inauguration of the recently inaugurated the PM Mitra Park, which is for the farm to fiber to fashion to foreign to fiber, and there are so many great things. What we say, definitely we see that there are so many lot of economic growth. I just watched the one video of the what is it? Yes, the ISRO director with the beer bicep. Yes, Ranveer Alabadia. It just came to know that he just tell that before the 100 years we don't have such a microphone, TV, and we don't have so much computers, and we don't have anything. And in this 100 we have evolved. We have become so much. We have everything. We have discovered so many things in this recent 100 years. After that, what we say, yes. So he tells that this universe is very big, contains of the millions of billions of galaxies, millions of planets, and everything. It's the infinite universe, and it is definite that the some of the life are coexist in the other planets, because we have not discovered yet. And yes, it's becoming very dark, so we need to stop. Thank you, sisters and brothers of India, America and the world joining me. Thank you.